Hey guys, Jess Starr here with Starr Realty Group at Keller Williams Realty, standing inside one of our amazing new listings. This one is 37 Banks Road in West Simsbury, Connecticut, a part of the Tootin Hills Elementary School District. I just love this property. Looks can be deceiving on this one. This one is well over 3,000 square feet. It is absolutely lovely, really rare to find. It's a Cape Cod style home, but with a contemporary flair. Post and beam and tongue and groove ceilings, so many amazing features. You've got cathedral vaulted ceilings here in this great sun-drenched living room. Look at this amazing space you've got here, gleaming hardwood floors throughout. I just love this home. Awesome open floor plan here. So many amazing features that you are not going to want to miss. They've got a great sunken family room that's all open into the massive eat-in kitchen as well, with all custom built-ins, a great fireplace. Some amazing features include public water, gas heat, central air. In 2021, brand new 30-year architectural shingle roof. They have new gutters, new chimney. They have a brand new septic system, completely new, that is done in 2019. From the leach field to septic tank, you name it, it's been done. Replacement windows. There's a first floor master bedroom that is massive with double closets and ensuite master bath. There's also a second floor, very large bedroom that's also got vaulted ceilings, 3 bedrooms upstairs with an additional bath as well. And downstairs, a partially finished walkout lower level, 2-car attached garage, nice private deck. What's even better, this backs up to Stratton Brook State Park, and you're right on the Blue Trail. It flattens out right up there. You've got tons of space if you want to clear it out, maybe put in a pool, do a big backyard, or just explore and make a great fort back there. Nestled in a really sweet, quiet little neighborhood, and you're not going to want to miss it. This one is sure to fly off the market. It's also got a new water heater in 2019. Give us a call if you want more details, 860-325-2484, or visit us on our website at starrealtygroup.com. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.